Yo, what up, Guy Manuel? It's Adam here from Polyfire. Today I just wanted to do a quick little video about vocoding and the inputs of vocoding and how that all works. I was having a chat with some people over on Discord about vocoding, and they asked, is it better to sing into a vocoder or speak into a vocoder? And someone said speaking into a vocoder is better, but I'm just taking that from information which I've gathered. But today we're going to put it to the test. Okay, we're gonna work it out. So let's go over to Reaper. So first up, we got just straight up keys, just for backing track, right? And then we have two versions. I've just done one where I'm singing. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Mariah Carey, here I come. And then we've got a talking version. Simple. Monotone. Down the middle. A, B, C, D, ooh, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. David Attenborough. I'm coming for you, bro. So there are two options. And then I've got some Midi. So that's what I'm kind of feeding into the vocoder. So if we take the singing, which is just, I've done another take of it here, and we have a listen to the original Midi, which I just put in, we get something like this. Right? Kind of cool, but it's a little weird. Something's going on. So I fixed up the Midi, and what you're supposed to do, if you're doing this in the future, other humans, don't leave any blank space. You can have overlaps, and then you get harmonies and stuff. But like I have A, B, right? A, B, C, D. But it should really be no gaps, so it should span all the way across. If there's no Midi and they're still singing, you're not going to hear that singing part because it thinks it's supposed to be blank. So I redid it. So it's just like this now. Right? Instead of right? Just small tip. Do with it what you want. Go back to the singing. And, well, let's listen to the version that we just had one more time. Like right here with the HI is a little HI, right? We don't want that. We want to clean it up. So that's what we did here. So now when we hear this bit, right? HI is way more clear than this bit. You know what I mean? You feeling that? Alright, so let's just listen back to the whole version sung in with the Midi. Alright, so does it sound cool? Kind of. Is Daft Punk jealous of my skill set? Absolutely. But is it legible? Like, I don't know if legible works in this term, but can you understand what I'm singing? You know, especially in the beginning, just like, what the heck? It's not really coming through so well. So let's have a listen to the talking version. Right? So it's a little bit more understandable now in terms of what words are being said. Of course, you know, you can tweak the vocoder to come out a little clearer. Sometimes you can add like more white noise, and that helps with sibilances. Sometimes another thing which I didn't do, I didn't prepare, so just keeping it short, but I'll tell you about it, is you can take the original voice and then take the sibilances and keep them. So then keep them as a normal audio file. So then you can play the sibilances on top of the talking voice boxy thing, and it's a lot clearer. You can understand it a lot more. The tss and the all that kind of stuff. They come through. They pop through. So one of the issues that we had with the talking version is like at the end right here we've got right LMNOP, which is, it's spoken, it's more, I don't know what the word I'm looking for is, when you speak good, you know, phonics, I guess, I don't know. The speech, the clarity of the voice and what is being said is what you get from the talk version. But by being more speaking, sometimes it's tricky. My brain's dead. Sometimes it's tricky to keep the same melody when you're saying A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Like right here, the right, L, M, N, O, P doesn't sound as cool as the one we had here. Right? L, M, N, O, P is way funkier than this one. You know what I mean? So you're kind of playing, of course you can keep tweaking and keep re-recording and move words along, blah, 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 blah. But you can also just mix and match. So here, if we just take off the L, M, N, O, P and use the singing version instead and turn off the original singing thing, then we've got the clarity of the vocal in the first part. People know what you're talking about. Everyone loves the elemental P, right? That's the best part of the alphabet. So give it to them funky in the singing version, right? So then you got something like this. Ooh, that's the stuff. That's the good bit. I don't really have anything, like I didn't create a vocoder for you to download or whatever, but I still got a whole bunch of free download stuff that you can get. Other VSTs, compressors, we got tons of information. I wrote a book about the most creative words in the world that you can use for your lyrics, and I'm giving it all away for freezies. So check below in the description and just download the bundle, jump in. It's like constantly updating with new stuff. It's great. It's great. If you want it, get it. It's got a little bit of elemental P, your favorite parts. Thanks for checking it out. Like the video if you want to help support me, and subscribe if you want to help support yourself.